SSK External SSD 4TB Review. The pocket powerhouse that blows USB drives out of the water. Feeling stuck with slow, clunky external drives that kill your workflow? Yeah, we've all been there, waiting forever for files to transfer, losing focus, and watching your motivation drain away. When your storage tools can't keep up, frustration sets in fast, turning what should be smooth productivity into a slow-motion headache. If you're overwhelmed by unreliable gear that drops speeds or overheats mid-transfer, wasting precious time and energy, it's time to rethink your storage game. You deserve fast, dependable performance that keeps you in the zone. Crushing deadlines and massive file transfers can feel like a nightmare when your external SSD struggles to keep pace. The stress piles up as you stare at loading bars inching forward, burning out your patience and leaving you wondering if you'll ever catch up. Missing opportunities because your data won't move fast enough? That frustration hits deep. Whether you're juggling 4K video edits, large game libraries, or critical backups, slow storage can ruin the entire experience. It's like trying to win a race while tied to a sluggish anchor. Enter the SSK External SSD 4TB, your new pocket-sized powerhouse that shreds the limits of traditional external drives. With blazing NVMe speeds up to 2,000 megabytes per second via USB 3.2 Gen 2x2, your massive files transfer faster than you can say, upload complete. Its generous 4 terabytes capacity fits huge video projects, game libraries, or backups without breaking a sweat. The sleek aluminum case isn't just stylish. It dissipates heat efficiently, keeping your drive cool and steady during marathon transfers. Plus, the LED indicator keeps you in the loop, so you never accidentally yank the drive mid-transfer. Compatible with PCs, MacBooks, iPhones, and even PS5, this SSD is a versatile game-changer for creators, gamers, and pros on the go. Why are creators, gamers, and pros raving about the SSK 4TB external SSD? Storage experts praise its real-world performance that nearly hits the promised 2,000 megabytes per second speeds, giving you a noticeable edge over typical 10 gigabits per second drives. Tech reviewers love the perfect balance of premium NVMe speed and massive capacity packed in a compact, durable aluminum shell. Industry analysts highlight its future-proof USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 interface and reliable thermal management that ensures consistent performance even when the workload heats up. Customers report lightning-fast transfers on huge 4K video projects and seamless gaming load times on consoles like PS5 and Xbox Series X. Its OEG compatibility means you can plug and play with a huge range of devices without a hitch. Curious why so many pros choose SSK for their data? Dive in and see how this SSD redefines portable storage power. Don't get stuck with slow drives that drag you down. Secure your SSK external SSD 4TB today before stock runs dry. Thousands of pros, gamers, and creators already trust this lightning-fast, reliable powerhouse for their most demanding workflows. Whether you're editing video, expanding console storage, or backing up crucial files, this SSD's unmatched speed and massive capacity make it a no-brainer. Act now, level up your storage game, and experience what it feels like to fly through transfers without a hitch. Your data deserves the best. Grab yours and soar.